Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking action now. Install Vscode node, JSLTS, Java 11 Plus, and Salesforce CLI. Once installed, open a terminal and run SFDX version to confirm the CLI works, then authenticate with SFDX auth, web, login to connect your DevHub or production org. Make sure the Salesforce extensions pack is added in Vscode. Enable the DevHub in your org settings if you'll use Scratch orgs. This gets you into a working environment ready to create or retrieve metadata. Next, you authorize an org within Vscode and pull or retrieve metadata. Use SFDX, create project or open an existing folder, then run SFDX, authorize an org to link your credentials. Once authorized, set the default username with SFDX-force, config set default username equals alias so commands target the right org. If using a non-Scratch org, run SFDX-force, source, retrieve mapex class, custom object, or use the manifest. For Scratch orgs, use SFDX-force, source, pull. This ensures your local source. Finally, you deploy and validate your work. Run SFDX-force, source, deploy ppath / source or use the editor command to deploy specific files. Once deployed, execute tests with SFDX-force, Apex test, run or the Vscode testing panel and inspect logs for failures and coverage. Make sure your project Scratch def, JSON and API versions align. If something breaks, first confirm SFDX auth status and default username. Then run SFDX-force, source, status to see local VS remote diffs. That single check catches most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.